Hello friends, in my previous lecture we have to discuss the abstraction in Java in details. We can achieve the abstraction in Java by the two ways, by interface and by abstract class. We can achieve the 0 to 100% abstraction with the help of abstract class, and we can achieve the 100% abstraction by the using or with the help of interface. The abstract class contains the both methods, simple method and abstract method. So due to this we can achieve the 0 to 100% abstraction in Java by the abstract method, abstract class, and in the interface all the methods are abstract. So we can achieve the 100% abstraction with the help of interface, and in my current video lecture we are going to discuss what is interface and with the practical demonstration. So the interface is the blueprint of the class, and it has static, constant and abstract method. All the methods in the interface is public and abstract. It cannot be instantiated just like the abstract class, and if you want to use the interface, then you need to inherit the interface into the class, and after that you will go to use. Okay, here I am using the Eclipse as ID, and then click on the file, new, and take a Java project. Here we need to write my project name, and simply I am giving my project name as interface demo. Okay, and then click on the next, and then finish. Okay, I am going to explore my project. Right click on the SRC, pop-up menu will display, and click on the new. Take a class. Here we need to write my class name, and simply I am giving my class name as a class 1, and check the public static void main method stub, and then click on the finish. Okay, my class 1 is successfully created here with the main method, and again right click on the SRC, click on the new, and take interface, and here we need to write my interface name, and simply I am giving my interface name as addition, and click on finish. My interface is created here successfully, and within the interface I am going to declare a abstract method, and simply I am write here the int add, and passing two arguments x and y terminated with semicolon. And look here, one things, I'm simply write here public void show, and then write here system dot out dot println, and then simply write here help. Okay, and look here, it's getting it. When place the cursor, abstract method do not specify a body, means all the method inside the interface is abstract type, so you cannot specify the body part inside the interface. There is a way by which we can specify the body, and with the help of default method. If you make this method as a default, on that case you simply use, or you can give the body of the method, and I will explain here. Simply I make the show method as a default, and the error is gone from my program, and simply I save it, and right click on the SRC, take a class A, and we don't have need to check the public static void main method because I have already taken in class 1, so I left it and then click on the finish. a class is created here, and I'm going to inherit the addition interface into the a class. So here we need to use the implement keyword for the interface, and write here the addition. Okay, look here, the addition interface inherit into the a class, but a class is getting error because we will not implement the method of add of the addition interface. So first we need to write or override the method of addition class add. So just you place the cursor here and add unimplemented method. It's automatically implement the method, and simply write the logic here, and simply write here x plus y, and save it. Okay, look here, the add method simply override here, and just come inside the class 1 and create the object of the a class. And just I'm going to create the object of the a class, and simply declare a variable a equal obj dot add, calling here the add and passing the value as a 20 and 10, terminated with semicolon. Okay, look here, with the help of object of the a class obj, we are calling here the add method and passing to argument 20 and 10. After addition, the add method return the integer value, and this value 30 store into the a variable, and simply write here the system dot out dot println, and here just write a. I'm going to print the value of a onto the screen. Okay, it's clear. And with the help of obj, I'm calling the show method of the default method of the addition interface, and then save it. Right click on the project, run as Java application. Okay, the output is hello, and 30 will be printed onto the screen. And this is the simple example of the interface. And here I am going to implement the multiple interface inheritance in my program. So I am again right click on the src, click on the new and take a interface, and giving here the interface name as a subtraction, and then click on the finish. Okay, look here, this is my second interface, and I'm going to I'm going to write here the abstract method int sub, and passing to argument here x and y, terminated with semicolon. Clear? Okay, we have two interface, addition and subtraction, and we can achieve the multiple inheritance in Java by the interface. With the help of class, we cannot done the multiple inheritance in Java, but we can done the multiple inheritance with the help of interface. I will show you in my example, and I simply open the a class, and I am inheriting subtraction interface, subtraction tractl. Okay, the subtraction and addition interface implement into the or inherit into the a class, and it's getting error because I am not implementing the method of the sub, that is the method of the subtraction interface. So we need to override the unimplemented method, and click on here, and simply write here x subtract by y, and save it. Clear? With the help of interface, we can achieve the multiple inheritance in Java. And here I have inherited the addition and subtraction interface into the class. Come inside the class 1 and here creating a method s equal obj dot sub, and it worked fine. 30 and passing here the 10 terminated with semicolon, and here just write space, giving space, and then print the value of s. Okay, and right click on the interface demo, run a Java application. Okay, look here, hello, coming from the show method message. 30 from the add value store into the a, print onto the screen with the help of a variable s. Sub method subtract the 30 value from the 10 and 20 assign into the s, and with the help of system.out.println we can print the value of s onto the screen. Okay, in the second point I have explained the multiple inheritance achieved by the interface, and in the next program I am going to discuss the interface inheritance. Means one interface can inherit another interface. So we will let here the practical demonstration, and this is my addition interface and this is my subtraction interface. I am going to inherit the addition into the subtraction interface. If you are going to inherit the interface into the interface, on that case you simply need to use the extend keyword and call here the addition. Okay, look here, there is no any error. Addition interface inherit into the subtraction interface, and come inside the a class, and just I am going to delete and write here the subtraction. Okay, and save it. It's getting error. Why? Okay, I'm not saving the subtraction interface, so the error has gone from the program. The subtraction interface contains both the add and sum method, abstract method, and we implement the add and sum method inside the a class, that is inherit the subtraction interface into the a class. So you well understand that interface can inherit another interface, and where you simply need to use the extend keyword. Look here, if one interface inherit the another interface, on that case you don't use the implement keywords, you simply use the extend keyword. If interface inherit inside the class, then you use the implements keyword. Clear? Okay, and here the add and sum method is implemented successfully, and then come inside the class 1, and my program is same as it is as previous, and again right click on the interface demo and run a Java application. The output is same because only I have to show you that addition interface extend or inherit into the subtraction interface, and subtraction interface inherit into the a class, and a class implement the methods add and sub, and then within the class 1 we have created the object of the a class and calling the add sub method and print their value onto the screen. Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.